Hello and welcome back to Simply Mobile. It has been a while. So today we're going to be looking at the best hidden features of iOS 14 and iPhone 12. I've been searching the internet and I've come up with 3 that I think you guys will like. So I'm doing it with the iPhone 12 Pro Max, but you can do this with any of the 12 series. Just make sure your iOS 14 is up to date and comment below your favorite. Okay, so the first thing we're going to look at is turning the back of your phone into a button. Yep, you heard that correctly. So go to settings and then go to accessibility. Scroll down to touch and select this. Scroll down to back tap and you'll be presented with 2 options, double tap and triple tap. Now I'm going to select double tap and then you'll be presented with a list of options. So any of these things can be done by just tapping the back of your phone twice. I've got mine set to screenshot, but obviously you can choose what you like. So I'm going to open my camera, double tap, and there you go. So number 2 is FaceTime. So if you go to FaceTime within your settings, scroll down and you will see eye contact, toggle this on. Now, even if you're looking at your screen, the person on the other end will think you're looking into their eyes. It's a great update by iOS 14. There I am, see, looking into your eyes, but I'm actually looking at my screen. Okay, number 3 is rather than going back 1,000 times to find the correct page, if you just hold the back icon, the arrow, you'll be presented with a list of options like that, and you can just select the page that you want. So there you go, that's my 3 favorite tips for iPhone 12 and iOS 14. So that was my favorite 3 hidden features. So you might know more. If you do, please comment below, because not only do we want to share them, I might want to use them myself. Stay tuned, we've got some more great iPhone 12 content coming up.